This video I can tell you like how we can create our products and services. So for managing these things, we have a module called inventory. Let's jump on inventory. So in inventory, we have a product menu. Just click on the products and click on new. So we have a product page here. In this product page, so first we can type the product name. Okay, so product name is cup. Okay, and then we have uh, different checks like this product is used for the sale purpose or the purchase purpose. So let's say if you're selling this product, so you have to enable this, and if you are buying this for the resale purpose, so you have to click on this purchase tab as well. And then we have a tab here, general information. So in general information we can add a general information of products. So the first um, so the first thing is we have a product type. In product type we can select a goods or services or combo. So the mostly common use types are used for the goods and the services. So let's discuss first goods. So when you select the goods, so if you select the goods, then you have a product. So you can manage their inventories, or you can check their reports as well. And in a goods thing we have two options, like this good is for used for to track inventory, or this good is used for the as a consumable product. So let's say if you want to track their inventory, then you have to enable this check. Okay, otherwise if you don't want to track their inventory, like you want to use it for uh, as a, just a consumable product, I'll giving you an example. Like we have office material like stationery, papers, pens. So these materials are not used for purchase for you resale purpose, like it's a consumable thing. So we can just buy it and we consume it, and we are not managing their inventory. So then we will uh, leave this track inventory. Now this product type is goods but consumable. Okay, but if you want to track their inventory, just click on this. Now you can see we have some other options here, like on hand quantity check is enabled. Now we are tracking their inventory. And then the second option is a services. Okay, so in a services, if you are giving any kind of services to your customers, so then you will select this. So when you select the services, then we have different options here. Okay, and the last thing is combo. So basically combo is just, you can say that it's like you can say it's McDonald's Happy Meal. Like if you will get a burger, so you will get toy, or then fries and the cold drink. So you will get the combos of the products, and that's the combo choices. You can select all your combo choices here, and then you can create a combo product. Okay, so now I'm just jump on the goods and the trackable inventory. Then the invoicing policy. The invoicing policy is like you can set your invoicing policy like on order quantities and then on or delivered quantities. Okay, and in the other hand we have some basic information like sales price. If you have any kind of taxes in your country, you can select your taxes, and if you have a cost price, you can select the cost price of this product. Then we have a categories. In categories you can create your own categories as well. So click on a new and create the new category, or you can just select the your standard one like goods or the services. In a category we have some options like inventory valuation option, like costing method if you want to set, The costing method, we have three options like standard price, FIFO, and the average costing. Okay, and then you can select your own costing method, and then you can use it. If you have any kind of reference related to this product, you can add the reference, and you can also add a barcode of the product here. And in the other tabs, we have some more info. Let me add some prices and select a category, goods. Then we have a sales tab. In sales tab, we have some information like you want to add some tags in your product, so you can add tags, and you want to add some quotation description, you can add some quotation description. So this tab is used for the upselling or cross-selling purpose. Okay, so you can add some extra optional product, like if someone is buying this, so we have some extra options related to the upselling. Then we have a prices tab, so we can set up a vendor price list here. Okay, so in a price list you can select a price list, all right, and you can select the price and the minimum quantity of the product. In other tabs we have an inventory tab, so that's related to inventory, like you can set the weight and the volume or the lead time of the product. And then last we have a accounting tab, we can select the income account or expense account. So if you already selected the category, so you don't need to select these things again and again. And the last thing is you can select your picture, product picture. Okay, so you can easily select a product picture. Let's say if I have this product picture, so you can upload your product pictures as well. So basically that's a product type, goods, service, goods. Okay, and let's say if you want to create a service, so that's simple. You can, if I can click on new, then you can add your services. Select this tab. Okay, and then you have your sales price, and if you can add your cost as well. Now select your category, and then we have a rest of the things are same here. Okay, just save it and let's jump on the main menu. So we have some filters. If you want to check your main goods, so you can click on the goods, and this if you want to just view your services, so you can click on this filter. And then combo, so we have these filters for searching our goods, services, or combo. So that's it for the product side. Thank you.